On the picnic spot, people were playing different types of games. Some kids were singing songs, and some others were playing catch the thief, and many kids were just sitting on the mat and chatting with each other. Pushpa and Pankaj were playing catch with a ball. While playing, the ball slipped from Pushpa's hand and falls on a rose plant.
Oh Pushpa, check whether the plant is fine or broken.
Let's check. No, the plant is fine. Look, Pankaj, there are many flower plants here other than the rose. These are good examples of herbs and shrubs.
Right then, father comes in the scene.
Nice, Pushpa. Do you know that the rose plant is a shrub?
I also know this, Dad. We were taught yesterday only that there are 4 types of plants.
Really? Tell which are those?
Herbs, shrubs, trees and vines. Vines are also of 2 types.
Creepers and climbers.
Dad, I was about to tell this.
Okay, Pankaj, let's do one thing. You explain some types of plants and I will explain the rest. This way, both of us can understand and remember it.
Done. I will start with the herbs. Look at these small plants which have thin and soft stems are called herbs. Coriander, mint, radish, carrot, beetroot, rice and mustard are some examples of herbs.
Very good. I will tell you something funny. Most types of herb plants are small, but the banana plant, which is also a herb, is pretty huge.
Wow, I didn't know that banana plant is also counted in herbs. Okay, now it's my turn to tell about shrubs. These plants are small to medium in size and they have thin but hard stems. The branches of these stems also originate from near the ground only. Lemon, basil, rose and pomegranate are some other examples of shrubs.
The next type of plants are trees. Their stems are hard and thick and their branches begin from higher part of the stem. Mango, dates, coconuts, etc. are some examples of trees.
Kids, do you know that the tallest plant in the world is redwood, which can grow taller than 100 meters, which means taller than a 30-floor building. It is found in the United States of America.
What? Even the buildings of our city aren't that tall. On one hand, there are redwood trees and on other hands, we have creepers which don't even get up from the ground.
The stems of creepers are too soft, which is why they spread here and there on the earth. Watermelon, muskmelon and pumpkin are examples of creepers.
My mouth is watering on hearing about watermelon, muskmelon and mango, etc.
Really? Does your mouth water after hearing about bitter gourd as well?
Yuck, I will let you eat that. I don't like it.
I like it. We get this nutritious fruit which is cooked like vegetables from climbers. These vines climb up the trees, ladders or other solid structures around them. Grapevine is also a climber.
If you tell me this, I will agree that you know about plants.
Okay, ask.
On which plant the largest fruit of the world grows?
Oh, I never thought about it. When we are talking about vines, it must be watermelon.
Do you know? Right. Jackfruit is the largest of all the fruits which hang on jack tree. Do you know that jackfruit can weigh up to 50 kg? Pushpa, the people who are watching this video more than you.
It was a great experience today, and I also got to know that both my kids are very bright. It's getting dark. Let's get ready to go home.
Oh, I was enjoying this so much.
Don't worry, we will visit Sundar Uncle's garden tomorrow evening.
Yes, We will visit for sure because we still have to discuss stems, flowers and roots of plant.
Let's go, children. We're getting late.
Yes, Daddy, let's go.
After discussing the types of plants on picnic yesterday, today Pushpa and Pankaj meet in Sundar Uncle's garden in the evening. Sundar Uncle is very attached to plants and environment. He knows a good deal about plants. Right now, he is busy taking care of his plants.
Good morning, Sundar Uncle.
Good morning, kids. How did you think of visiting my garden today?
Uncle, there's a chapter on plants in our science book. Can we discuss about it in your garden?
Why not, kids? Tell me anytime if you need me.
Thanks a lot, Uncle. Pankaj, yesterday we discussed about the types of plants. Now let's discuss about the parts of plants.
It is very easy, Pushpa. The main parts of plants are stem, leaves, roots and flowers.
Absolutely.
Do you remember, while discussing the types of plants, we saw that each type of plant has different types of stem.
Yes, stem is the part of the plant which supports its upper structure.
Stems transport water and minerals dissolved in the soil to the leaves of a plant through its branches. And it also transports the food made in leaves to various parts of plants.
Making of food by leaves is probably the most important task of a plant.
You always become happy whenever the thought of food crosses your mind.
Well, the leaves perform one more important task, which is called transpiration. It means the excess water of a plant gets evaporated, or in other words, transformed into water vapor from the lamina of the leaves.
If I'm correct, lamina is the broad green part of the leaf.
Correct. See. This hard line in the middle of the leaf, it is called midrib. And the other lines surrounding the midrib are called veins of the leaf. The design made by veins in a leaf is called the reticular leaf venation.
The structure of the water distribution system in our houses is also the same. The main pipe, which comes from the water tank, is the widest pipe. It distributes water through thinner pipes to washroom, kitchen and basin, etc. Just like these plants also distribute water and food to and from leaves.
Sundar Uncle, who was listening to them from some distance, comes and helps them.
The way both of you think is wonderful. Let me also tell you something. Have a look at these. Grass leaves. These are different from other leaves. These are thin but longer. Their leaf venation is parallel.
Oh, we had not thought of it at all, Uncle. Do you know anything more interesting about it?
Wait a minute.
Sundar Uncle uproots a grass plant carefully with its roots. He does the same with a plant whose leaves have reticular leaf venation.
Children, have a look. The grass plants, which have parallel leaf venation, have fibrous roots. And the plants which have reticular leaf venation have tap roots.
Uncle, it is a piece of very good information.
Roots are also very important parts of plants. They soak up the water and dissolved minerals that are present in the soil. They reach to every part of plant through stems.
Other than this, the roots also act as the base of a plant. The roots hold the plant tightly in the soil.
Absolutely.
We have talked about each part of the plant apart from flowers. Pushpa, even the meaning of your name is flower-like, right? What do you know about flowers?
Yes, this is the meaning of my name. This is why I love flowers so much. Flowers blossom in so many bright colors and are very gorgeous. They smell so nice as well.
Yes, it's because their smell and bright colors attract insects like bees and butterflies. The insects eat the pollen of flowers.
From the nectar of flowers, bees make honey as well.
Yeah, honey is so tasty.
Even I have also become hungry now. Let's eat some fruits together.
Yes, I am feeling hungry since rats are jumping in my stomach.
Well done, children. As you have discussed parts of plants in such a nice manner, you must get a treat of fruits. Come with me. I will give you fresh and tasty fruits from my garden.